Hello, this is Amanda, and the website I decided to show is actually education.com. And I actually pay a premium teacher account member. I think it's $10 a month. And the reason I pay for that is I have access for math, reading, I think there's social skills, and a couple other subjects. But since I'm in such a diverse classroom, it has all these different grades. Um, but also, what I love about it is it has worksheets, online games, guided lessons, and lesson plans. But the reason I love it for math is because I use this with my students. Like on Fridays, they're very motivated by technology and games. So a lot of times on Friday, we'll do a little math game together. I'll plug in the iPad and project it. And you can go through, and they have all different sorts of math games. And they're pretty interactive and fun. So, and then I find my students, when they have their computer time, reward time, they'll go on and play these games. So at least they're doing some math things. So, for instance, here I'll click on one. Um, So then obviously you're going to find, whoops.
9 times 7.
So you're going to find the answer.
6 times 7. 7
So we use
times.
this just kind of as um, a fun reward time on Fridays if they had a good week. But what is also cool is they have a lot of, if you need some different lessons specifically on subjects in specific grades. Here, I'll take some of these off. I have too many settings. And they also have stories that go with the lessons. And so, because I like to tie in books with them, because I work with a lot more younger primary grades. So, anyways, I just found that education.com has been a great resource. And so, when it said to have our favorite math, I always just thought I used a lot of the websites for the math games. And this was a very popular one. So, thank you.